All right, I made some updates to the template to make this the absolute easiest and fastest way to create your WhatsApp monetizable chatbot. Now, let me go over the updates that I made. So I made this whole GitHub repo into a template, so you can just create a new repository. When you click use this template, click create a new repository, give this some name, make it private so that not everyone can see it, create a repository. Then you have your own repo where you can do whatever you want. I highly recommend you also read the README here, because there is some very important things in there, as for example, that you enable phone number required in your Stripe payment link. Otherwise, the Stripe cannot sync with the database if the user is subscribed or not. Some people have been asking about that. Or as well, the Stripe number formatter in Zapier. I actually just made a Zapier template that you can just, when you click here, it opens Zapier, and I think you can just use the free Zapier plan for now. That checks the right number format for your WhatsApp number, because some users may enter their number in a wrong format, and then WhatsApp again cannot read it correctly. Now, what you do at first, you're going to click into source. And then you're going to go in the configure file, and you're going to click here on edit this file. And here I made an update, so now everything is in one place. You can change everything exactly in here. That is the prompt, for example, right? Make sure though you leave these in here, because if you remove them, the file will not work. You can change, of course, the model. You can change the audio transcription model. No, I would leave that in here because OpenAI currently only has Whisper as a audio transcription model. You can change the image caption. You can change what happens to the image if they don't have a caption. You can change the context message limit, so how many messages every time will be put in the context of the user. You can change the free messages. You should definitely change the subscription message and replace it with your subscribe page wherever you host it. Just put that link in here. And yeah, all the good stuff in here, right? You can change blocked countries as well. You could also add them in the env file, or you can just add country block codes in here if you want to block any countries. Then, of course, in the end, hit commit changes. So that looks like this. Just commit them to the main branch, hit commit changes. And then I would do this at first, and then immediately create a new project in Railway. This is how it looks like. You make a Railway account, then you create a new project, and then it will ask you how you want to connect. You're going to click on GitHub repo. Then you are going to select your new created repository, and you're going to hit deploy. Then you're going to go ahead and collect all the environment variables that going to then look like this. You're going to go in the variables tab. It's going to then pop up right here when you click on it, exactly here, variables. And you're going to create all these new variables here. Name them exactly like in the file here, in the environment variables example file. I created this here, so you can just copy that and put it over to Railway. And yeah, this is then going to look like this. As I said, the country code is optional. You don't have to put that in there, but everything else you need. What's a verified token? You can choose yourself. Can be any token. And then you're going to deploy again, like hit save here. And then you're going to go ahead and click on settings. And you're going to create a, where is it? A domain here. It's going to then pop up when you have deployed it. You're going to hit create a custom domain, going to put it on port 8080. And then you're going to go in your WhatsApp developers dashboard to connect the WhatsApp webhook. That is then the last step to verify the WhatsApp webhook with your WhatsApp verified token. I did that all in the tutorials below in that playlist, how you verify the WhatsApp webhook. And yeah, that's the fastest, that should be the very fastest way to create this, to first change everything in the bot, how it should behave, right? In here. And then you're just gonna collect all the environment variables in the, as I say in the tutorials below. Put them in Railway, hit deploy, make sure you save all the changes all the time. And yeah, if you got any questions, of course, let me know via email. But yeah, I hope this helped, and it also helps me to create way more WhatsApp chatbots faster than ever, because now everything is in one place and yeah, very easy to locate. Thank you a lot, and I wish you great success.